Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our English class with Teacher Yet. How are you today? I hope all of you are doing fine. Alhamdulillah. Today, we will learn how to turn your trash into something new and useful. Our learning objective for today are, by the end of our lesson, people should be able to first, make something new from an old item, and second, to revise vocabularies and structures learned in previous lessons. Today, we will learn how to make a pencil holder. We choose pencil holder because, first, pencil holder is not only functional, but they can also be cute. And second, it can be made from almost anything. You can create your own pencil holder by using these recycled materials. Can. This item is perfect because it can easily be found around the house. Box. You can create your own holder from your cereal and toothpaste boxes. Toilet paper roll. You can group them together to form cool designs. Old newspapers. Roll your newspapers and glue them together. Create a base. Glass jar. If your jar has a label on it, you can remove the label by soaking the jar in hot water. Plastic bottles. Take off the lid and then cut off the top quarter of the bottle. Now, let's get started. These are the steps of our project. First, clean your material. The cleaning process is depend on your material and it is different according to your choice. If you are using glass, can and plastic item, rinse it out with water and soap and clean the outside as well. Make sure it is free from oil and dirt. If you are using material out of paper like newspaper, toilet paper roll and box, just make sure they're clean before you use them. You can't wash them out or else they can be damaged. Make sure your material is completely dry before decorating it by wiping it down with a paper towel. Second, paint your material with your favorite color. You can paint your toilet paper roll with a solid color or with a pattern or design. If you are using an aluminum can, you can use a spray paint. Allow the paint to dry and then decorate it with your other paints. If you are using a clear glass or plastic container, you can dye the inside of your jar, or you can wrap it with your favorite wrapping paper. Besides that, you can also cover your material with fabric or colored paper. Here are the tips on how to cover up the original material. For toilet paper rolls, you can paint them. Use spray paint for aluminum can and dye for glass jar. You can wrap or doodle your box. For plastic bottle, you can use some colorful and fancy decoration tips. And for plastic container, fabric, rope and yarn would be perfect. Third, cut a piece of cardboard and glue it to the bottom of the roll to make the base if you are using toilet paper rolls. Fourth, decorate your pencil holder with ribbon or colorful beads to cover up any ugly paper edges. And the last step is, your pencil holder is ready to use. That's the end of our lesson. For tutorial, create your own pencil holder. Ask your parents for guidance. You may do this activity during weekend. Snap a picture and share it with me. Have fun with your family. Here are the examples of steps for idea. That's all. Bye.